National Park, Free State, South Africa, in the middle of the Drakensberg. This is Mushroom Rock, because it looks like a mushroom.
I can stand on the shoulders of giants, make myself reliant on making people defiant. That's the way the world came, packed with rebels and heretics, it's all the same. So you can keep on running your charade, while I keep on running and gunning in my parade. It doesn't have to make you feel good, just doesn't have to wreck everyone else's mood. 'Cause I had things to do that never got done. It doesn't matter now if I'm having fun. All the trees don't lie.
This one's very stiff. That one's a little loose, like it will turn a little.
But a tree can't change the world, that's how we got them beat. 'Cause I came here to talk and I spent twice as much time listening, yeah. And when does love begin to wash away the things that we all fear? And what does it matter, now that all I have is this buzzing in my ear?
It does actually look like a foot. Surprisingly, concerningly so.
When I'm ready, I'll attack the words, give it everything I've got. But what's left is fool's gold, there's more that it's not. It ain't nothing but a pretty color, and even that could be fuller. Came out as a caterpillar, went in as a Rockefeller. But I had things to do that never got done. It doesn't matter now if I'm having fun. All the trees don't lie, they don't steal a cheek. But a tree can't change the world, that's how we got them to be. 'Cause I came here to talk and I spent twice as much time listening.